Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the multiple school teacher recruitment notifications from the different schools guys. And in this video I am going to show you the recruitment notification from the Sainik school as well as a few private schools guys. Okay, so really it will be a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for such type of teacher job vacancies. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking or else waiting for such type of notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first one we are going to see is Swami Vivekananda English High School. Okay, so you may check down guys here the contact number as well as a mobile number is also given here. The email ID is also there. So my vivekanandaschool.swami@gmail.com, and this school is announcing the walk-in interview guys. So eligible candidates are required to submit their applications with the necessary documents for below post at the above mentioned address by 31st May 2021 from 10 to 12 o'clock, 12:30. So thereafter the candidates will be invited for the walk-in interview. Fine. So assistant teacher vacancies are there here, and the qualifications are also mentioned. So BA BEd English, Marathi, Hindi, Social Studies, and the next one is BSc BEd Maths or Science. Next one is HSc DED. Okay, so here the convenient educated or the candidate studied through the English medium will be preferred, and it is a walk-in interview guys. Okay, so if you're having any queries regarding this notification, here the mobile number is also provided, so you may contact to this number guys. Okay, and coming to the next one is SBIOA Education Trust. So coming under this trust here, the in different cities or the different places, the different vacancies are mentioned here. So I may check down. So in Chennai, English, Maths, Physics, History and Geography. Okay, and in Mambakkam, History, and Tiruchirappalli, Hindi, Maths, Chemistry, Accountancy, Commerce and Economics, and in Madurai, Hindi, Economics and Accountancy, Commerce part-time, and in Coimbatore, English, Maths, History, Geography and KG, and in Ernakulam, Chemistry. Fine. So to register and download the application process, okay, you can click down here. Fine. And yeah, it is a registration process, and in this website it is for the recruitment of teachers as well as the counselors. So you have to fill up your details and the address and your educational qualifications, TTET or CTET exam details, and work history, okay, and academic achievements. Okay, so all these things and the documents to be attached. Here there are so many documents you have to attach: SSC certificates, upload higher secondary certificate, okay, degree or provisional certificate, PG degree, BEd, MEd, experience certificate 1, 2, 3, 4, and other certificates if any, you can upload here guys. Okay, and yeah, it is a vacancies recruitment notification regarding this one. Okay, as I already shown you, okay, from the different cities, the different vacancies are announced here. So it will be a wonderful opportunity if you want selected here. TET or the CTET is mandatory for confirmation of service. Okay, and here the last date to apply this one is 10th June 2021. So applicants should apply through online, and the copy of the same with photocopies of the certificate should be sent to the secretary and the correspondent at the above mentioned address on or before 10th June 2020. All applications should be sent only through the speed post with acknowledgement due. Fine. And coming to the next one is the Sainik School. Okay, it is the official website of this one from Ministry of Defense, and you may check down here. TGT English, Art Master and Counselor, Warden, GE ladies and the lady PTA, PGT Chemistry, Computer Science as well as the Physics. So here the few permanent and few contractual vacancies are there. And coming to the, okay, it is a notice, and coming to the eligibility criteria. So in this PDF, you will check down the details regarding the eligibility criteria for the contractual as well as the permanent post. So for PGT chemistry, age limit is mentioned 21 to 40. MSc chemistry or 2 years integrated postgraduate MSc, B.Ed and proficiency in teaching in English. And the pay scale is mentioned here. Okay, it is a 8 pay level. So 47,600 plus DA plus other allowances will be available. And coming to the TGT computer science 21 to 35. So one post under the ST category. At least 50% marks in aggregate, BSc computer science or else a graduate degree in any subject with mathematics as a subject and 3 years diploma in computer engineering, or else a graduate degree in any subject mathematics K or A level from DOE ACC and B.Ed from institution recognized by NCTE proficiency in English speaking, and the 7th pay scale is mentioned here. And coming to the PGT physics 21 to 40, one post is there under the OBC category. So MSc Physics or 2 years integrated postgraduate MSc course and B.Ed and proficiency in teaching in English. And desirable pass in CTET or the TET. Fine. So that is mentioned as a desirable category here, and here the 8 pay scale is mentioned. So nearly will get 47,600 plus DA is also, and other allowances are also available. And appointment on staff, of staff on a contractual basis. So for English, 4 years integrated degree or the bachelor's degree, B.Ed and proficiency in teaching in English, pay scale is 23,000. And art master 21 to 35, so 5-year recognized diploma or graduation in fine arts. Fine. And PG in fine arts is desirable. Okay. And yeah, 23,000 per month. And a counselor, PG diploma in psychology, and for lady PTA bachelor's degree in physical education, proficiency in English speaking. Okay. Desirable is 3 years experience. And warden 2 and matron 2. Okay, between 21 to 50 years, and the matriculation or equivalent above past one. And coming to the contract GE contractual for the ladies, it is 21 to 50 years. Under the unreserved category, 2 vacancies are there, matriculation or equivalent past or above. Fine. So total these are the different categories, guys. I mean, in this Sainik school, there are vacancies for the post graduation with B.Ed and with the TET or CTET. Fine. With only graduation also. Okay, vacancies are there. So these are the complete details regarding these 3 schools, guys. Okay, one is Swami Vivekananda School, and the second one is SBIOA. Okay, and the next one is Sainik School. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also. okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.